There is an urgent need to tackle the environmental problems that today cast a long shadow over the production, use and consumption of plastics. Nick Wallace went to Futamura, UK in Cumbria to meet the team developing sustainable cellulose films for packaging, enhancing the daily lives of customers and employees alike.
On this 6-hectare site in Wigton near Carlisle, bales of wood pulp containing the organic polymer cellulose are prepped for processing.
After the cellulose has been extracted from the wood pulp, it's put into an acid bath where it's regenerated as this see-through material. It's then washed, dried and rolled onto giant spindles.
The end product is NatureFlex, a packaging film which is biodegradable, compostable and versatile.
We have a number of industrial applications, so adhesive tapes, sticky tapes for example, can be made using our material. We find ourselves inside alkaline batteries as a separator membrane, very technical applications, but I would say probably about more than 90% of what we do is destined for the food industry.
With public opinion against single-use plastics changing, NatureFlex is in demand.
Typically our customers are more ethical brands, maybe they're fair trade, organic, natural food producers, and what they're wanting to do is kind of match the ethos of their brand to the packaging that they have to use to keep the product fresh.
Futamura produces 300 million square metres of cellulose film a year. After it's been removed from the production line, cut and checked, the product is taken half a tonne at a time into the slitting room. Here it's cut to client specifications before shipping. NatureFlex is more expensive than conventional film, but it can be used as a laminate with other biopolymers to change its heat-sealing qualities and permeability.
Because of the coating technology that we employ, we can give very good barrier properties, but using very small amounts of the materials that we formulate. So we, as a company, we have the best moisture barrier biopolymer films that are available.
It's a flexibility appreciated by Futamura's customers.
People come up straight away saying, we don't mind the packaging more expensive, we need to do it, we need to make the change to be fully sustainable within their business.
And Futamura help you with that?
So the relationship with Futamura is very on point. They come with us with a lot of experience. They give us the right materials for what we need for our packaging needs.
Meeting the demands of their customers and fulfilling Futamura's corporate mission to make products which serve society has empowered the company's R&D team.
Futamura have a vision. It's clearly a long-term vision. They believe in cellulose, and I think what you have now in the heart of Wigton is a group of people that also believe in cellulose. That's why we're here. Where there are good ideas identified, they're prepared to back you in terms of giving you the money and the resource to research, but also to upscale that technology. So it's quite an exciting challenge.
Many of the staff working at this on-site laboratory are former apprentices. 19-year-old Megan started her apprenticeship last year.
I'm working on a really interesting project at the minute which will perhaps change the way that the factory runs to make it even more environmentally friendly. And that project will also go towards my college degree as well. So it's kind of a win-win. It's really rewarding to be part of something that has such a interest at the moment with all the biodegradable packaging interest. So yeah, it's really good.
The real goal is the circular economy. And what we mean by that, it's taking materials from nature, using them, and then bringing them back to nature afterwards.
NatureFlex is a perfect fit within Futamura's global portfolio. It's a product which consumers and Futamura's customers want to use and are willing to pay for.
The on-cost for using biomaterials versus conventional plastics exists, that's for certain. But actually, once it's translated onto the price per pack, it's a low additional cost. And there's such interest now among consumers to move away from traditional plastics and towards more modern biomaterials that I think the brands will start to see the packaging as actually being one of their marketing tools and not just a necessary cost that they have to pay.